my YouTube channel. This is Astal and I'm so unfiltered and I'm not even wearing a proper outfit. But today I'm going to do outfit number 10. Zara dil ko thaam lo, naam lo, laat ke main hu dawn. Let me be honest, I'm making this video out of anxiety, out of stress and out of why am I going? Anyways, this is going to be a very clumsy video because it just started that way. But let's get back to no videos. So this is the outfit in this very neon bag, which I bought around literally 2 months ago and have not worn it, although I have gone out, never had a proper time to wear. And show you guys what this is. Let's shoot it. We have to shoot a video. We need subscribers. We need comments. I can do it. Let's get started. So before I get started with why am I cranky and where am I going and why I don't want to go, let me first show you here. So these are the two pieces. This is a very nice skirt. I wouldn't call it mini. It's not mini. It's just a skirt. And it's pretty. It has beautiful patterns, which I really love. Simple, sweet. And I always wanted a skirt like this, a white color, because I've seen on Instagram. Just inspired by people. So I bought it. So I have the stock, which also is the same print. And it's actually a bit transparent type. So it's fine, but this is a perfect outfit for a very, I don't know for what.
Wait a minute.
Let me just make my scripts in my head and come back. Let me just. My mesh brings all the gods to the yard. They're like, it's better than yours.
It's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to
Charge.
Hot sauce. Hot sauce. I think that one.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, stop. Dance, dance, dance. I don't know what I'm doing. No.
1 hour later.
Okay, so let's get back to the video. I have written a script. It's in my head. And if it's not ready, I'm improvising it. Anyways, this is the top. As I said, I'm going to wear this. I'm going to style these two. Along with this, I don't know what shoes, but I do think I know what kind of jewelry I would like to wear. I'm going to try to go an Indo-Western again. I'm not sure if it's going to actually look good, but well, I do have a brief idea what's going to happen, like jewelry, blah blah blah. So let's just start. Okay, so this is the top and it's pretty nice. I like the fittings. Before I wear the skirt, I'm going to tell you this is a bit like transparent, sort of. It's like see-through. So it goes like a bit above, like close to the waist. So for that, since it's see-through, I don't have a peach color short. So I'm going to wear a black. So bear with me, please. At this point, you should just agree with whatever I'm going to do and say it. Because I'm making a video to make myself not think about it. But I'm going to tell you what I'm thinking about. So till then, please watch the whole thing. Because I'm going to tell somewhere in between why this is eating my head. Okay, so this is my outfit, guys. This is how it looks. Whole thing. I like skirts. It's actually like a pant. There's a bit of pant skirt types and it's very comfortable. Over here you can see, I guess, it's a bit see-through type, so just to cover it, instead of peach shorts I can't find, I wore black. So this is how it will look. So let's get straight to the makeup and accessories. Right, and also the makeup, which you guys know if you followed me ever since the outfit check number 3 or 4, where I started doing my makeup and where I said I can't do makeup that well, but I'm going to do just a bit. Okay, so there is another reason why I wanted to make this video over here is because this is going to be my last time that I'm going to make a video. My last video, not on my YouTube channel, but this one. Get started with this rings and stuff. So first, avoiding my regular ring, I'm gonna go with this. I had shown you this before, I guess which video? Oh my god, I guess the 9th one. Outfit number 9. I love this. I got 2 of these and it looks amazing. And I'm gonna wear this one because it has a bit of this red in color. And I guess it was called Ruby, not the real one.
Boink.
Duh.
Not it's gonna be like this. It's here. I love this kind. But the other one, which is this one, it looks nice. It looks more like a wedding ring, engagement ring. But it's not that, guys. Not yet. So I'm gonna wear both in different and in the middle. I mostly prefer this. It's looking nice. This is just for the sake of wearing. And I don't even have nail polish, not even long nails. My nose is blocked. But I'm still gonna shoot because I love doing this. It's kind of a nice distraction for me. If you don't know how my first one looked, I watched that video yesterday, like my outfit number 1 that I tried. From introduction of that video till the end, it was so funny and bad and weird. Because I saw the way I introduced, it went like, "Hola chicas," and I'm like, "You're not from Spain, but okay."
Emotional, damn it!
So it's very funny, but out of that I have learned what not to say and how to dress and what to show and what not to show. So I have come far. So congratulations, tap on myself. Go with this red. Oh my god, what was it called? Scrunchies, yeah. So let's go with this red scrunchie because it has these red patterns. So it looks good. So I like wearing this scrunchie. I'll just wear it so that anytime soon I will tie your hair. It looks good. Scrunchie looks good. We can wear it. Or as I said, that Indo-Western, these bangles. I had bought these bangles when I was in college. For just one occasion, I had to buy a bangle. And then I never wore it in my life after that, which is technically a year. I didn't wear it. I attended a wedding 3-4 months ago, and I was supposed to wear this. I was supposed to get this, but I didn't find it, so I never took it with me. But today, it's here. So this one is also like a bit trying to give this look. Chun, chun, chun. I even prefer this because I've worn the scrunchy long back, like I wore it in my last video. So let's do something different. But guys, you can either wear this or this. But I prefer this. Let's go with my ethnicity. Next comes my earrings. Let me find that and get back to you. Well, I thought, why get back when we both can search for earrings together? This is my bag full of everything. I won't even say makeup bag because it has earrings. I won't even just say jewelry bag because it has makeup. So it's a bag of mixture. Although I've seen nowadays they have this cloth which just holds your makeup, and I want to buy that. I have other rings also. You know, I have so many different rings. I'm a person who loves wearing rings. So I guess I'll wear many, but instead I have this already. Not gonna do. I don't like too much, you know, that loud. I like to go a bit simple, casual, but noticeable. Remember. Oh, these. Well, I'll go with. Oh, wait. I'm getting a call. Oh, shit. Okay, I'm back. Okay, but like I want to keep this video very natural and so friendly, like as if I'm actually talking to you guys on live and you're watching me live. But I guess this one looks good. I have to start wearing these earrings. It has history. You want to know what? It was given by my friends in college. Now we stopped talking. What? Because of the worst misunderstanding they can have. Okay, so this is nice. This is how it looks. And I like it. Thank you guys. We don't talk anymore, but I like this too. We're done with the jewelries, we're done with the rings. You can have, it's all silver. So I'm done. And my hair, Let me think about it. So till then I get a bag and shoes. Okay, so I forgot one thing. The lipstick and a bit of eye makeup. But let me just go and get it. Okay, so I got to rush because the national ride is going. These are the 3 things I use for my lipstick. This is the gloss I'll use at the end. This is not important. But this is a cherry color. It's Nivea. This is really nice. It's 2-in-1. You can put it on cheeks, you can put it on your lips. It's both. So first, I've cleaned it, guys. Relax. So I'll put it first on my cheek, bit on my nose, and sides. So I put a bit red. It's too red. That's why I don't put this. Like the whole thing, it becomes too bright and it looks pink in color. And then I use this brown, very old. I don't even know which shade is this exactly. It's just number 6. But I mix these two. Yep, I mix these 2 colors so that it becomes dark. I don't like too bright. And then it becomes too dull later, so I mix both and make it a medium. Oh yeah, let me just... I have upgraded myself into this. I don't use my hands to dab anymore. I use these. What is this called? I don't know. Please comment down below. I forgot. Sponge. So I just dab. Only if I was going out today, I guess this would be perfect, but I'm not. Okay, so this is what is the makeup like, and my eyes. You can put under eye kajal or mascara. Not going for a late night very party look, then just go for, you know, your kajal or your mascara or an eyeliner. That's most simple and casual. But I'm just doing this for my outfit, so I just put a lipstick and a bit of blush, and this is how it looks. Let me show you the full outfit, but before that, let me get to the story first because it's almost the end of the video and now it's the bag time and the shoes. So guys, I have 3 bags over here, all different colors, one in blue, one in green, and of course brown. Because now over here I have blue, I have green, I just don't have brown. So I don't know which one should I go with. But before I get to it, the story goes like I am having my college starting again. But it's gonna start in 4 days. Like I'm notified 4 days before that I have to go and attend my college because it's gonna start. It's for my higher education, and which is not right because I have packing left. I have to buy stuff. I don't even know where I'm gonna stay over there, and it's all messed up. And they mailed me today itself in the afternoon that in 4 days you have to come and join college. Really? Seriously? 4 days? What if people are coming from far places? There are NRIs who come. That's true. This is not fair. That's the thing that makes me so pissed off for. This thing. That I'm not prepared, I'm not planned, and I don't know what to do. Well, this is not even half of the problem, because the other thing that's like really stinging me is that I don't want to go, and this is not what I wanted to do. It's gonna waste my entire few years if I do this, I feel, because I have something else in my mind and I have something else in my plans, and this is not what I want to do. I'm just waiting, because what I want, if that happens, that announcement is gonna come on my YouTube, like it's gonna be a big celebration. Big celebration. It's gonna be like a huge announcement because it's something I've been waiting for like so long, and I wish it just works out. Some miracle happens with me. But anyways, moving on. So that's what was just telling me, these two things. But I'm just hoping it just works out the way I want it to. So let's carry on with the video. And this makes my whole thing go. I better shut it. There is still light. Anyways. Ah! Okay. So this is one, this is another, this is another. So I'm going to show you with each of them. Okay, so this is the one, this brown bag, which looks good. Crossed, looks so elegant, decent. I like it. But I would like to try something different. Okay, so this is like the second bag, which is green, I said. And this looks pretty good, I feel, because it has a green texture. It has this green texture on the skirt, a light green, and it kind of suits also different. When a matter of fact is this has these cute things which I like. It's too soft. But let's go on. The best part about it, it has a handle like this which I like, so I can carry it this way. Very girly, yeah. I like this. And now let's end with the shoes and a bit of a surprise at the end. Well, again, the shoes, I have this one which matches with my outfit, light green, and it's flats, so comfortable. You know what, I sometimes feel that if there was ever a competition of fashion emergency, what would you have done? I feel I would have everything available, because look at the bag, green, shoes green, everything is almost matching my outfit. Lipstick, it has red in it. Scrunchie, red, it's available. Rings, available. Red, here. I'm all prepared. Yep. Not sure if it's visible, but yeah, that's how it's looking. Okay, let me lower this camera angle. Is this good? Not at all, it just cut my legs off. Okay, now it's better. I don't know if my head is cut, probably it is. But this is how the sandal is. The whole thing. My hair, I have not decided. I don't think I'll do anything with it. It's gonna just be open like this. This is the whole outfit and I'm loving it. Did I just sound like McDonald's?
Bruh.
Well, this is another outfit I really like compared to what I actually did before in my outfit checks, because I'm not sure, there are a few outfits which I really didn't like styling. And I have shampooed recently, so it looks smooth, so I'm going to keep it this way. But you guys can, of course, again, this clip it, braid it, your style, you can decide that. Okay, the last final thing that I wanted to surprise you with, because it's going to be a surprise to me and I'm going to try. So let's see. Okay, if you guys are ready, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Ta-da! I wore this bindi so that I can match my ethnicity, because I am already wearing this bangles. So I don't think so it's looking that good with the outfit. I just took a chance. I don't think anyone would dare to wear like something like this. I don't even know if it's suiting or not. But I mean, from till here, like the whole upper body, it looks like fine, full traditional, because no one knows that below it's a skirt. And if I stand up, let's see how it goes. This is the outfit. It was the worst decision. Of course, you can't see my bindi. Wow. This is the look. This is the whole bindi. Let me show you in the mirror. Okay, so this is how it looks. Totally. I like this. I don't know if this bindi was a good idea, guys, but I'm loving it. It's a different style altogether. I guess I pulled it off. I like this. This bindi was a very daring decision. So comment down below if it's actually suiting with the bindi or if it's good without. But with the bindi, it's like something different I have done. So, ouch. But anyways, let me know in the comments down below, how did you like this whole outfit? Which part you just felt related, because there are so many people who might be so much related to the college stuff. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll start posting really soon, more often maybe. But I'm not sure after I deal with my college stuff, after I shift to the new place. Maybe after then I'll start posting regularly. But till then, I'll have my YouTube shorts which keeps you updated of what I'm doing. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I entertained you, because I did entertain myself. I lifted my mood up. Well, now it's again going to go back down, because I have to go and clean up the mess I made, because that's not what I'm going to show. But anyways, take care, love you guys, and let's see what happens next. Maybe the big news I can reveal and make that celebration. And if not, we continue with outfit number 12. Wait, 11. Oops. Bye.